so tired. I need more coffee to stay awake. This soup will be perfect for lunch. I'll let it simmer slowly.
Oh no, is that the sound of the garbage truck coming? I forgot. The bins are still inside. I haven't taken them out. No time. I must rush before the truck leaves. Is it snowing? It's freezing, and this jacket is way too thin. Wait for me! Please stop! Oh no, I missed it! It's too late! Now I have to drag this heavy thing back in this freezing weather? Where are my keys? No, I'm locked out. I left them inside. The soup. I left the stove on. The whole house could catch fire. Is anyone there? Open the door! Why can't anyone hear me?
Family day is great. No work, no noise, just peace and quiet.
Target acquired! Go, go, go! Yes! We won the round! New plan. I'll throw snowballs at Petter's window to get his attention. I hit it!
But he's not looking. He's too distracted by that game.
My hands are going numb. I have to find another way inside.
A ladder. I can climb up high and call them from the window. Okay, I can do this. One step at a time. Stay steady.
Mom? What on earth are you doing? You're freezing out here. Come inside right now. How long have you been locked out?
Thank you. I went out to dump the trash and the door locked behind me. Husband watching TV, kids wearing headphones. This is a disaster.
Headphones, huh? When our Wi-Fi broke, my grandson ran down instantly. Wi-Fi, that's their weakness. Thank you for the idea, Mrs. Peterson.
Sorry, kids, but I have no choice. 3, 2, 1, here goes.
Done. Now let's see how long it takes for them to notice.
What? Is the Wi-Fi down? Right at the best part of the movie. No! I lost connection! Olivia, is the internet working for you?
Check the router! Why did the internet cut out so suddenly?
Mom? When did you get back? The Wi-Fi is broken or something.
Hello, family. I am the one who disconnected your internet. Oh my God, Mom. You're freezing. Were you locked out this whole time?
Dad, you said you were going to work. Why were you here watching TV?
I'm so sorry. I'll do the dishes for 2 months. I promise to always pick up.
Wait, do you smell that? The soup! It's completely burnt to a crisp.
Hello, everyone. I brought some cake, just in time for the ruined soup.
Thank you, Mrs. Peterson. Lemon cake for a very brave mother.
Mom, you didn't just unplug it, you actually broke the wire.
Oh, really? That's a shame. Dad, you better order a new one.
Ordered. But the earliest it can get here is tomorrow morning.
24 hours without Wi-Fi?
Ah!
What are we supposed to do? This is terrible.
We will talk and play games. A whole day without screens.
All right then, let's see who will be the billionaire of this house.
Have fun, everyone. Sometimes no Wi-Fi is exactly what you need.
See? We can survive just fine without the internet.
Mom, I don't remember the last time we laughed like this together.
Yes! I'm about to buy this whole neighborhood.
Don't celebrate yet, Dad. I'm taking it all back next turn.
This pot is so black, Mom. It's like a piece of charcoal. It's a memory of our no-internet day, honey. It'll be clean soon.
A real fire is much warmer than watching a fireplace video online.
This is so cozy. I can finally feel my toes again.
Who's ready for some cards? I promise I won't win everything.
Watch out, Petter. I've been practicing my poker face.
Oh, man. How am I supposed to win with these cards?
I win! I am the button queen of the night.
Look at the snow. It's beautiful when we are safe and warm inside.
Hot chocolate is served. Extra marshmallows for the winners.
My secret family recipe. Lots of sugar and lots of love.
Look at this. Who is this baby? He looks like a little potato.
That's you, Petter. You used to hate taking baths back then.
I was a cool baby, though.
Look at that tiny hat I'm wearing.
Dad! Your hair was longer than mine back then.
I was the lead singer of a rock band. I was legendary.
I forgot how much fun it is to look back at these memories.
The sun is down. Time to start thinking about a real dinner.
Tonight, Chef Dad presents Apology Pasta. No burning this time.
Must stay focused. No TV distractions allowed tonight. This looks so fancy, like we're expecting a royal guest.
This is for Mom. She deserves a romantic dinner after today.
This smells amazing, Dad.
I forgive you.
90%. Olivia, tell everyone about your science project at school.
How? It's about solar energy. I'm building a big model for it.
This is the longest and best dinner we've had in months.
Step 1 of my 60-day dish duty. Look at this shine.
I'll help you, Dad. We'll finish faster together. We're gonna camp right here in the living room tonight. Yeah! Flashlight on. Now it's time for some ghost stories.
Once upon a time, in a house with no internet. No! The horror! How did they survive without it?
And then a shadow appeared, asking for the Wi-Fi password.
Mom, your ghost stories aren't scary. They're just funny.
Your father was so shy. He didn't dare say a word to me.
But I did give you a very beautiful red rose, remember?
Look, the stars are so bright tonight. Maybe because the screens are off.
Good night, everyone. See you in a world without Google. I didn't realize I could have this much fun without gaming.
This book is great. I forgot how good it feels to turn pages.
A small accident turned into such a wonderful result. Thank you for pulling that plug, Mom. I love you.
Good morning. Who wants honey pancakes for breakfast?
I slept so well last night. No notifications to wake me up. That must be the delivery man with the new cable.
Thank you. Finally, the world has returned to us. The power of the internet is in my hands. Should I connect it?
Nasu, you're... Wait, Dad. I want to finish this game first.
Me too. I need to know how this story ends.
The internet can wait, but family time can't.
Snowball fight. Loser has to clear the snow all week.
Hey! You're gonna pay for that, Petter.
I'll go get Dad's old scarf for him, Mom.
He looks just like Dad when he's grumpy about the Wi-Fi.
Look at them. Such a happy family.
Is it time to connect back to the digital world yet?
And... done. The internet is officially back.
My phone is vibrating non-stop with messages.
Turns out none of these messages are as fun as playing with you.
Let's finish the game, Dad. I'm about to win anyway.
I'm so glad you've learned the value of our time together.
I'll be your loyal sous chef for the next 60 days.
Don't forget your promise. No escaping the kitchen.
Oh, he's not bad, bro. Whoa.
I'm gonna hang this right in the middle of the room, so we never forget our amazing broken Wi-Fi day.
New rule. Dinner time is officially phone-free time.
To our family's successful no internet mission. Whew.
Cheers to our family!
Yeah!
Go ahead, honey. The kids and I will clean up.
Just try to keep the noise down, please.
Look at that. Clean as a whistle, right?
Can I borrow that book when you're finished with it?
The world outside is so vivid if you just look at it.
Life is good when we appreciate each other.
Must make the path clear so Mom can walk safely.
A little hard work is good for the soul.
Done. Everything looks neat and tidy now.
Oh. You guys finished all the cleaning? Great job.
Special seafood pizza coming right up.
Get ready!
This is the perfect happy ending to our little story.
The dish duty starts now. I'll make them shine.
Yeah!